What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another cool little episode here on Free to Climb. We have the 2023 snowstorm moving in tonight, right now. I'm gonna try and do a time lapse tonight and then upload the video tomorrow day. So this could turn out pretty stinking awesome. I hope it does. I really hope it turns out good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So I'm gonna give you a little pan around here. We just got home from being out with family tonight, but I'm gonna give you a little pan around here and see what's coming down. And it's starting to come down actually pretty heavy. 34 degrees and things are kicking off. I'm excited just to see actually how much we get. It'd be pretty cool. What's up, y'all? I cannot wait to show you these views. I'm headed to the gym this morning. It is about 6:30. We got a ton of snow. When they said snowstorm this time, they predicted it and they did good. So I'm gonna drive and I'm gonna show you some sights around our town. Let's go.